Welcome to our video today, where we're going to explore the intriguing concept of the 6 levels of wealth. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're well on your way, understanding these levels can provide valuable insights for your financial success. Let's dive right in. Level 1: Financial Stability. Financial stability is the foundation of wealth. At this stage, your focus is on meeting your basic needs of food, shelter, and clothing. It's about getting out of debt and creating an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Level 2: Financial Security. Financial security is where you build a strong financial base. You have a stable income, insurance coverage, and you're actively saving. Your goal here is to protect your wealth from unforeseen setbacks. Level 3: Financial Independence. Your investments and assets generate enough passive income to cover your expenses. You're no longer reliant on a 9-to-5 job. This is where financial freedom starts to become a reality. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Level 4: Financial Freedom. You have the flexibility to live life on your own terms. You can pursue your passions, travel, or give back to your community. You've achieved true financial autonomy. Level 5: Financial Abundance. You're not only financially free, but you're accumulating significant wealth. This might include investments in businesses, real estate, or stocks, allowing your wealth to grow substantially. Level 6: Financial Legacy. It's about leaving a lasting impact. This can involve philanthropy, creating family trusts, or building a business empire that will benefit generations to come. As we conclude our exploration of the 6 levels of wealth, remember that the journey to wealth is not one size fits all. It's about setting your own goals and taking steps to reach each level. Keep in mind that wealth is not just about money. It's about what you can do with it to make a positive impact on your life and the lives of others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.